Have you ever pondered why heritage seeds matter so much in preserving our environment and food diversity? Heritage seeds, passed down from generation to generation, play a vital role in maintaining genetic diversity. They hold the key to resisting pests and diseases, helping us build a robust food system. And let's not forget, they preserve our traditional farming practices, keeping centuries-old wisdom alive. Heritage seeds are not just seeds, they are the living embodiment of our agricultural heritage. Imagine the power to control the future of your garden, all in the palm of your hand with a few tiny seeds. This is the essence of seed saving, a practice as old as agriculture itself. It's about preserving the past, shaping the present, and securing the future. Seed saving allows us to maintain biodiversity, an essential element in a thriving ecosystem. Each saved seed is a guardian of genetic diversity, ensuring the survival of unique plant varieties for generations to come. Moreover, saving seeds is an economical choice. By harvesting the seeds from your plants, you're cultivating a self-sustaining garden that requires less investment over time. So, how does one save seeds? It's as simple as selecting a healthy plant, allowing it to go to seed, then collecting, cleaning, and storing those seeds for the next planting season. Saving seeds is a powerful step towards a sustainable future, where every gardener is a custodian of biodiversity. Now, you hold the key to a greener and more diverse tomorrow. Imagine your garden brimming with an array of vibrant heirloom plants, each one a testament to the rich tapestry of our horticultural past. By using heritage seeds and practicing seed saving, you can play a part in preserving this rich biodiversity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful gardening tips. Together, we can cultivate a brighter, greener future.